to today's vlog. So today is a sunny day. Yesterday was a cloudy day. Was not expecting the heat. Today was not expecting the sun, clearly, because I am in these long pajama trousers and I'm like, it's very hot, and so I'm gonna quick record this intro. But today, since it's a sunny day, my mom and I were gonna head to a lavender field. She's never been to a lavender field, and we're gonna bring our dog Peach along with us. So we were essentially trying to find places that we can bring our dog along, because the thing is, we got a lockdown dog, and the thing about lockdown dogs, they do not like to stay home alone. Not that we leave her home alone, because I work from home and I'm home 24/7, but the thing is, she just loves to go everywhere with us. So we're gonna take her along with us. We thought it'd be like a nice day out with us and the dog. So we're gonna go to lavender field. We're gonna go to this park called Wrest Park. It's one of those English heritage places. I didn't even know English heritage was a thing. I have a membership for it. Don't ask me why. It was for free, so we just got it and we just kind of want to use it. So we're gonna go to Wrest Park, and yeah, so today is gonna be a nice day. It's gonna be nice and sunny. Hopefully it's not gonna be too hot. I'm already boiling in here. But anyways, I got ready a bit too early. Also, I'm up really early. I'm usually not up this early. Anyways, so I thought I'd record this intro, and also I thought I'd update you guys on the house. So if you don't know, if you haven't been updated on my channel, so I've uploaded a few videos on kind of like house hunting, and like we've found a house and all that kind of stuff. So my boyfriend and I, we're buying a house, in the process of buying a house. How exciting. And so I just thought I'd update you guys, and we have exchanged. So it's like crazy, because the thing is, from the point of us viewing the place and everything, from that actual day of viewing the place, 6 weeks later we exchanged, which is like nothing at all. Because the thing is, we've been through this process before of buying. So we're buying a new build now, but we've been through this process before in buying, like, would you call it an old build? Just an older build essentially, and like it took us a while to get to the point of not even exchanging and for it to just fall through. So, you know, also we're not getting our hopes up until the actual date of completion. So if you don't know, exchange is the point where you can't exactly pull out. The only bad things that can happen is essentially maybe your mortgage provider will pull out of like the situation, because maybe the situation has changed. So we're not getting our hopes up, because we've got our hopes up in the past before, and we don't want to do that and then it fall through. So anyways, fingers crossed, but who really knows. Anyways, completion is just a big waiting game, because essentially from the point of exchange, you just literally just waiting for completion, and the completion date is the date where you kind of get your keys. It's the official date that you can actually move into your house, and that is the date that the house is yours. And so we're just waiting for completion. But tell me why completion is in 6 months away. I don't know why. Anyways, that's the update on the house. The guy said when the flooring is all put in and everything, that we can go visit it then. Also, we can pretty much visit it anytime we want. It's just a bit long to travel there, but yeah, so next time we'll see it, it's gonna have nice flooring. Well, hopefully it's gonna be nice. We're gonna see the flooring and everything. But yeah, there's an update on the house. Anyways, I'm that kind of person to be chill right now and then be in a hurry when it comes to not knowing what to wear. So I'm gonna decide what to wear. I'll see. I'm just gonna go. Hey, so you're probably wondering why I brought you here. So here is what I've been living out of since I moved back home, essentially. So I had bags and bags of clothes. So when I moved back home, oh, it's been some time, so this might look bad on me, but I have moved back home since I think like the beginning of the year. So kind of like Christmas time-ish slash beginning of the year. I don't know the exact time. It's been a blur. And I had like loads of bags and bags of clothes, and I just, you know what, put it in the garage, because we're probably gonna buy a house. And you know, the house that we were buying previously, we would have already moved in by now, ages ago. So in my head I'm like, I don't need all my clothes just yet, just leave it in the garage, because it's all packed, and when we got a new house, so I could just easily bring it to the new house. However, things didn't go to plan. As you can see, I'm still at home with my parents. And so now that we're buying the new place and everything, I still haven't brought in any other clothes from the garage. I just kept this box up here because, you know, the box was kind of falling apart. It was just a box that we used previously, and I thought if I put it in the garage, then and I thought if I put it in the garage, spiders are gonna go inside, and I don't like spiders because there were holes in this box and I don't want my clothes to be dusty. Anyways, essentially when I go places, because honestly I don't really go many places, I'm usually in my pajamas all the time, this is the box that I choose my clothes from. So essentially good luck to me, because am I in a hurry? Honestly, I should be.
Cheese.
Please look.
Nice lavender. No slow motion. I tiptoe.
Okay, so I am back and I am hungry. The thing is, like, they didn't have food there. We tried to get food there, but they were like, oh, the canteen's not open. Okay, it's okay, I'll just have an ice cream. So I just came back, got one of these. This is like an Asian baked bun, I guess. Like my mom made these like buns. Anyway guys, it's golden hour, kind of. I don't know what this is. Today we went, by the way, sun's in my eyes. But also, how do people do golden hour? Because really, like, I cannot see. But anyway, so we went to Lavender Field and Wrest Park. I didn't really film that much, you know, because I want to spend time with my mom and the dog. Anyway, I'm just chilling, just eating. My mom went to work, so it's just me. Anyway, today's been a fun day, and one thing I just don't understand is the heat in England. I will never understand it. Why is the heat in England like hot? Like, it's not like, you know, hot when you go to other countries where it's like nice and hot and it's meant to be hot. Here I feel like I'm gonna die, and I'm really dehydrated right now, and that bun is not the moistest thing ever, so I throw it. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this bun. And just chill, maybe watch some TV. I don't know.